What should I do if my child is injured in an accident as a pedestrian? Hi, I'm Kevin McManus. I'm an injury attorney in Kansas, Missouri, and I'm here to answer that question for you. Well, look, as a father with two young children, I can't imagine having to even ask that question. And if you are asking that question, I'm really, truly sorry that you're having to ask that. But the bottom line is your child has legal rights. The difference, of course, is your child cannot make these decisions because your child's a minor. Your child is not an adult, can't make, and so it doesn't have the legal capacity under the law to start making these decisions for him or herself. So the law typically will appoint a parent to make those decisions for that child. And it starts, frankly, by just having a conversation with an attorney as the parent for the child to figure out what's the best thing to do next. But if you're the legal guardian for your child, if your child lives with you, typically you're going to be the person making the decisions for that child. And here's some of the things you need to be thinking about. Well, if your child was hurt in an accident as a pedestrian, maybe your child was walking or playing in the neighborhood, was your child, was your child somehow at fault for the accident? And if the answer is no, then the answer is the other party is responsible for paying your child's damages. They're responsible for paying medical bills, any future or past medical bills, as well as pain and suffering for any injuries that occurred. We handle child cases routinely in our office. We do a lot of different kinds of child cases. It could be ones where a child is injured playing on the side of the road in their yard, they're going to get a ball, or it could be a child who's on a bicycle. It could be a child getting on and off a bus at a stop, maybe walking to school. All of those situations, unfortunately, can result in injuries. And in many of those situations, the child did absolutely nothing wrong. Of course, there are situations where, of course, a child maybe puts him or herself in danger, and those are tougher cases. But if your situation is the driver was negligent, didn't see the child, should have been paying closer attention, maybe failed to yield and made a turn without yielding to a pedestrian, or maybe your child was on a bicycle where he or she should and had the right to be, and a driver just didn't see them. In all of those situations, your child has a legal right to be put back into that position that they deserve to be, where they were before the accident. And we help our clients guide them through the legal process to understand that and to get the best recovery possible for their particular situation. So if you're dealing with a child injury, again, I'm sorry. I just want you to know that we are here to help. You can call our office. Our numbers below. Consultations are free, and there's no obligation to hire a firm. So just call us today.